hacks I learned from my Asian mom.
All right, I'm gonna take the makeup off from underneath my eyes so you can see how big my eye bags are. There they are. On a cold cabbage, fresh out of the fridge, crush it up a little bit so the juice kind of comes out under your eyes for 5 minutes and they are gone.
Here's something I wish I knew before I was in my 30s. You can stop a pot from boiling over by putting a wooden spoon on it. Gotta get closer.
One hand in one of these, you're going backwards.
Okay.
Hang on. It's easier when they're closer together, but when they're not close, you just hold like this. Okay, that's it. Now you're gonna pull your knees like this and go in. So you're ahead. At this point, it's in the way.
Okay.
So what you do is you hold your breath and you put your head under and kiss. Dingy.
Okay. You are awesome!
Amazing.
Such a good girl.
There's a tip in there for you.
Okay, you guys need any change or are you all good?
No, we're good.
Okay. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do the best to stick this in here.
No, you're fine. Even if it has to go on top.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Have a good day.
Hey guys, here's a quick bathroom refresh in under 50 seconds for under $50. I know I really wanted to redo this bathroom, but I know a lot of us cannot afford to do renovations right now, and I am one of them and did not want to spend a ton of money on completely renovating this bathroom after already renovating our one upstairs. I decided to give myself a challenge and use supplies and home decor items I already had. The only items I purchased was the green paint, 1 can of spray paint, and an outlet cover for a grand total of $26.92.